How to send messages to parents using ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Once you are logged in, select the class for which you want to communicate with parents. You will be taken to your classroom dashboard where you can see your students and your connected parent. To send a message, tap on the messages or chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can select individual parents or multiple parents at once depending on whether your message is private or for the whole class. Type your message in the text box, add attachments if needed such as images, documents or links and then tap send. Your message will be delivered directly to the parents through their ClassDojo accounts or the connected email notifications. You can also schedule messages, reply to parent inquiries, or send reminders about homework, upcoming events, or student progress. Now you know how to send messages to parents using ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.